How to use TikTok video and photo template feature. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you want to make sure that your application is fully updated. Open the App Store. In the search bar, you can simply search for TikTok. Once you search for it, simply tap onto it, and just like that, make sure you update button if you have any. After that, open up the application, log into your account. Once logged in, you want to go ahead and simply tap on this plus button, and then simply tap on create right over here. Inside you will be able to find a new feature like templates, video editor, AI self, and many more. All you have to do is focus on templates. Here you will be able to find all templates that is available. You can simply tap onto it and tap on try this template. And just like that, TikTok will automatically apply that exact video format and effect to your content. After editing the video, you can simply preview everything carefully, then add caption, hashtag, music, or extra effects. And that's it. Finally, you can simply tap on upload, and just like that, that is simply how you can use TikTok video and photo template feature. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel.